I Akşamlar İstanbul.
Bravo!
Dear Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, for the past 14 days, chess enthusiasts and chess players from all over the world have gathered in breathtaking Istanbul. On behalf of the Tromso municipality, I would like to start by congratulating the Istanbul Chess Olympiad 2012, the Turkish Chess Federation and the International Chess Federation for organizing an outstanding event. Istanbul has captivated us with its cultural blend and its historical grandness. And we bid farewell to Istanbul 2012 with an appreciation of a tournament that truly has catered both our minds and our hearts. This evening we celebrate the execution of a successful Olympiad in Istanbul. And we at the same time start the countdown towards the next Chess Olympiad, Tromso 2014. And dear friends, as a mayor of Tromso, I'm honored and I'm proud that Tromso and Norway has been chosen to host the 41st Chess Olympiad. Situated on top of the world, Tromso has for centuries been a starting point for Arctic adventures and expeditions. These days, Tromso is recognized as a powerhouse for Arctic knowledge and research. And our city takes great pride in being intercultural and international. Tromso has a lot to offer. We have spectacular landscapes. We have an impressive cultural scene. And lastly, our finest attribute, we have the people of Tromso. Joining the 2014 Chess Olympics, you will get more acquainted with our small, though big city, and the warm, humorous and open-minded Tromso people. When Tromso overtakes the honorable task of organizing the 2014 Chess Olympiad, it is with utmost regard to the culture and the history of the game. The Chess Olympiad is an international and intercultural melting pot, a principal meeting place for reunion with colleagues, exchange of ideas, recruitment and development of the game. The organizing team behind the Tromso 2014 tournament has been visiting Istanbul for the last weeks, seeking inspiration and best practice on how to perform such a great and important task, such a great and important international event. And I am convinced that they have gained considerable and valuable knowledge, and equally important, new contacts and friends. Chess is one of the world's most cherished games, and as Tromso and Norway start preparing towards 2014, we are experiencing an increasing interest and enthusiasm for the game of all games. The 41st Chess Olympiad in Tromso also coincides with the celebration of the 200th anniversary of the Norwegian Constitution and the 100th anniversary of the Norwegian Chess Federation. Together with our regional and national supporters, we will do our utmost to ensure a warm, playful and smart chess festival. Now, I am proud to present to you two representatives of the indigenous people of the north, the Somby people,
Ende Somby and Lars Magne Andreassen.
Ande will perform his declaration of love to the city of Tromso, the Tromsoyoik. He made it himself. Lars Magne, I have to tell you, he's a passionate chess player and a very able one. He will give you, each and every one of you, a traditional Sami welcome to the city of Tromso. On behalf of the Sami people, on behalf of the Norwegian people, on behalf of the people of Tromso, and on behalf of the chess players of Norway.
Om sa sol chai yolo ta vi mai me kya lo le yo ko ta ve nai ke le no chi nga dam yo lo yo ko ka pan bar ka pan chi nga dam wow to qua sa sot no yo yo ka le che dan unna solo cha o ko kya se nai ke lan umet chigwa van o ko arbe dage solo yunle o ko parut nu yo nyafka dan unna solo jayo ko no house ka solo mocha ta solo jayo ko Chomila sale jeku Tromso solo chai ole yo ai unko tave mai me ke alole yoko sherefe yo sherefe to yo
Once again, thank you, Istanbul, for a successful tournament, and congratulations to all participants and winners. Good luck to each and one